Picture this, you've got just $100, maybe it's the last bit of your paycheck or a small amount you've set aside to start investing. Now, most people think, what can I possibly do with the $100? But here's the deal, even the smallest amounts can grow into something substantial over time if you know where to put them. Today, I'm breaking down 6 easy and effective ways to start investing with just $100. And these aren't just random tips, guys. These are strategies that you can actually start using today to build a foundation that can one day take you to 6 figures. So stick around because each of these steps is a building block for real wealth. Before we get started, do me a quick favor and slam that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money and invest smarter. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with something simple but powerful, a high interest savings account. Now, I know savings accounts sound boring, but hear me out. The traditional savings account at your local bank probably earns close to 0% interest. That's basically letting your money sit there doing nothing. But with a high interest savings account, especially with an online bank, you could be earning anywhere from 3 to 5% just for parking your cash there. When I first learned about high interest accounts, I couldn't believe how much extra cash I was missing out on just because I had my money in the wrong place. Switching took just a few minutes, but it made a difference. If you're starting with $100, this account will grow slowly, but think of it as a step 1 in building a smart financial foundation. Plus, it's the easiest step to take. It literally takes minutes, guys. And once you've got your money working a little harder for you, the next step is crucial if you want to invest confidently. Let's talk about something you absolutely need before diving into high risk investments. All right, next up, an emergency fund. This is your safety net, your financial cushion. Before you even think about risky investments or stocks, having a little backup fund can save you a ton of stress. An emergency fund is money you don't touch unless something urgent comes up, like an unexpected car repair, a medical bill, or even something as simple as a broken appliance. Think of it this way. If you're investing without a backup, it's like trying to drive a car without insurance. If things go wrong, you'll end up dipping into your investments. That's something we want to avoid. Start small. Even $100 here helps. It won't cover everything, but it's a start. And it's that little extra confidence boost you need to keep investing wisely. All right, now that you've got your safety net in place, you're ready for something that can actually build some wealth over time. Let's talk about a simple yet powerful investment strategy called index investing. Now we're getting into the good stuff, index investing. If you're new to investing, you might think you have to pick individual stocks, like I need to buy Amazon or Apple or Microsoft, but the truth is there's a smarter way to get started, and it's called an index fund. Index funds allow you to invest in a whole collection of companies like the S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 companies in the United States. With index investing, you're spreading out your risk, and historically, the S&P 500 has an average return of around 7 to 10% over the long run. And here's the best part, you don't need a lot to start. Many platforms today allow you to buy fractional shares. You can begin with that same $100. Over time, your investment can compound, which means it grows on itself. It's slow at first, but trust me guys, compounding is powerful. Check out the series I'm doing, investing $250 every week, already up to $8,000, and I started from 0. That being said, now, what if you want to make your investment even smarter and get some serious tax benefits? That's where certain accounts come in that can help boost your savings even faster. Let's dive into tax advantage accounts like IRAs and 401ks. These are special accounts designed to help you save for retirement, but they also offer some serious tax benefits that can make your money grow faster. With a Roth IRA, for example, you pay taxes up front, but your investments grow tax-free. And when you withdraw in retirement, it's all tax-free too. You might be thinking, isn't this for people who have a lot more money? Nope. Many IRAs can be opened with as little as $100, the theme of this whole video, and you can start small. If your employer offers a 401k and they match your contributions, that's free money you don't want to miss. Even if it's just a few dollars from each paycheck, it can add up to quite a lot over time. And while investing in an IRA or a 401k is great for the long run, what if you're ready to take matters into your own hands and create something that can grow even faster? Let's explore a different kind of investment, starting a business. Now, here's where things get interesting. Using that $100 to start a small business or a side hustle, a lot of people think starting a business requires thousands of dollars, but that's just not the case anymore. Thanks to the internet, you can start a business on a shoestring budget. Maybe you start reselling items online. Maybe you start offering a service that you're skilled at, or even start creating content that builds a personal brand. There are countless businesses that started with just a few bucks, guys, even businesses that became multi-million-dollar brands. The key is to use that initial $100 to get the essentials. Maybe it's setting up a website, buying some initial inventory, or even running some ads. Over time, you can reinvest the profits back into the business, and who knows, that $100 could be the foundation of a successful multi-million-dollar venture. Before we jump into our last investment strategy, let's take a quick break for, well, a future sponsor. Yep, you heard me right. All right, here's the deal. We don't have a sponsor yet, but if you're watching this and you're a brand looking to sponsor a video, imagine your product or service right here. Imagine the potential, helping people grow their wealth and making a difference in their financial future. If you're interested, hit me up. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Regularly scheduled, hopefully. Still working on the schedule for this, honestly, guys. It's a little up in the air. Anyways, all right, now for something a bit more adventurous. You've probably heard of it, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency can be a wild ride, but it has changed a lot of lives. So it's worth mentioning. If you're willing to take on quite a bit more risk, okay, gotta throw that out there, you can use that $100 to buy a piece of a popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or explore smaller projects with potential growth. Now, a word of caution, guys, crypto is very volatile and it's important to only invest what you're willing to lose. That said, if you're in it for the long term and you believe in the technology, even a small investment can grow over time into something very, very large. Start small, do your research, and never put all your money into something you don't fully understand. So which of these methods are you going to try first? Or maybe you're thinking about combining a few of them. Whatever you choose, remember, the key is to start, even if it's small. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a foundation that can grow over time. And there you have it. We've covered 6 ways to start building wealth from just $100. Each one of these steps is designed to help you invest smarter and reach your goals no matter where you're starting from. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, if it nudged you to take action, please hit that like button and drop a comment below with how you plan to invest. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and join our community of future millionaires. Let's make money work for us, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.